I haven't gone mad. This is just for the hook. Today I'm going to talk about this book, Tuesdays with Mori. The format of this series has been very simple. I choose a question that bothers a lot of English learners. But today we are talking about a book. This is a very special book and especially for complete beginners. And if you are here for the first time, my name is Roshan and on this channel I talk about English learning books and movies, especially in a manner that is going to improve your spoken English. And if you're also looking for a place where you can learn spoken English, then reach out to me on my number. I think this is the perfect book for somebody who has just started learning English and they are trying to get into the habit of reading. And the reason I decided to read this might sound very weird to a lot of people. I like reading physical copies of books. And pocket-sized books are my favorite ways to read a book. My eyes are very good right now, so I can read very small text. How this book made me feel, that is a topic for some other time because I have got a lot to talk about that. But as I mentioned earlier that this is for English learners, so I will show you guys why this is going to help you with your spoken English. And the author Mitch Albom, he is also a very popular journalist. He used to write about sports. And then he met his professor after a very long time. And his professor was dying. And that's when they started writing this book together. So this is literally conversation between two people. But this book is written in such a simple language that even if you have never read a book, you will not find it difficult to read. This is a very common advice that a lot of teachers give to their students, that read books. By reading, you can improve your spoken English. And what do they actually mean is, if your goal is to improve spoken English, you should not be concerned about finishing a book. Just identify and see how sentences are written, how the conversation is flowing between two people. And I'm going to read some paragraphs for you and you will notice that how easy the prose is. His death sentence came in summer of 1994. Looking back, Mori knew something bad was coming long before that. He knew in the day he gave up dancing. He had always been a dancer, my old professor. The music didn't matter, rock and roll, big band, the blues, he loved them all. He would close his eyes and with a blissful smile begin to move to his own sense of rhythm. It wasn't always pretty, but then he didn't worry about a partner. Mori danced by himself. So if you notice the pattern of these sentences, they are written in a very simple language, and that is the reason why I think every beginner should read this book. So as a beginner, if you are going to pick this book, this is how you should be reading. First of all, read slowly. Don't rush that you have to finish this book within a week. Second, read loudly. Try to read some of the paragraphs if you can read them loudly, so that you can get the feeling how sentences are formed and you can build your muscle memory at the same time. Third, even if you are encountering difficult words, just underline them and move ahead. Don't break the rhythm of your reading. Because once you have highlighted the word and you have finished the chapter, just go on any website like ChatGPT, Google and search for the word and write down the meaning in the margin. And then when you are rereading this book, you will understand those words better. But again, this book is written in a very simple language, so I doubt that you are going to encounter many difficult words here. Fourth, as this book is written in a conversational manner, you need to notice how sentences are formed, how these people are sharing their opinion, expressing their feelings, and also talking about very heavy themes in a very simple language. So I hope I have convinced you to read this book, because this book deals with many heavy themes such as relationship, working hard, looking for the meaning of life, stress of work, this hustle culture that we are living in, that we have to be productive all the time, we have to keep on earning money, we have to keep buying new things. This book also talks about those deeper meanings, and that's why I'm going to make a separate video where I'll talk about personally how it made me feel. So yeah, I highly recommend it. If you are a beginner looking for a book, then this is the perfect place to start. And if you need any additional help, if you want to join my English learning community, then drop me a message on my number. I'll let you know about my courses and how I teach English. And if you have watched this far, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye.